Kane, get back! What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ! Kane, get back! What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ! Let's go! Kane, get back! What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ! Watch out! Ah, shit. They shot Tommy. Okay, this ain't gonna be easy. What now? We keep going. Find the others. Come on!
It stinks in here.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Lynch, we gotta talk.
Quiet. We will later.
No. When you called me out here, you said this deal was bulletproof. Come out here, relax for a couple of days, and then get the guns to Africa.
And that was the plan.
But this is a goddamn gang war.
Shh. Keep it down. Singh might have some kind of beef with us, okay? We just gotta find out why.
Well, I don't like it.
Don't worry. Everything will work out fine. You'll be on that boat in a couple of days.
There's too many secrets, Lynch. Too much bullshit.
Yeah. Welcome to Shanghai.
All right, careful.
What do we do?
Grab him.
Just do as I say! Move! Kane, come on! Almost there! You think you can kill me?
Where are we?
Don't know. Just gotta find the others.
They're probably dead.
No, they ain't. This way.
Watch out! Ah! Watch There's more! I know, bastards!
Move! Move! Ledge! Meet you down the courtyard on your right!
Thank God. Thought we'd never see you guys.
Where's Tommy?
He didn't make it.
Damn! Shit! Look out! Second floor! Up, keep down! What now? There should be a way up somewhere. So, what's the plan now?
We go and talk to Singh.
Make it sound easy.
Now that we're hooked up with the others, we're unstoppable.
All right, spread out. We'll meet you halfway.
Keep your eyes peeled, Kane.
There's no one here. I don't like this. Lynch, check the building. See if Singh's still here.
Got it. Kane, go. You, beat it.
我的试试嘛，你读试试嘛。
Mr. Singh, I'm Lynch.
I know who you are.
Tell me about the hit on the freeway. You listen to me.
Not gonna get anything out of him.
No, back off. This is what I do. You're coming with us.
You think you big man, oh big man, eh? Shooting girl.
What are you talking about?
You stupid man. You shoot wrong girl.
What girl?
Girl in market. Shang Si's daughter.
No, that couldn't be.
Shang Si not happy. He will kill every one of you.
Wanker, Lynch. All this because of you? This
I'll tell
changes
Shang
everything.
Si about your loyalty. But you two.
Shit. Get back inside! Fuck! Shit! Fuck up real bad! Shit! Kane, come on! Stay here! Really bad, Kane! I don't know what the hell happened there! They got us picked up! Fuck! If they get the Glazer, we won't lose! Floating up! Shit! They're in! Shoot the fucking thing! We got it! Ha! Now what? We lay low. Pray the Glazer doesn't find out. This is serious. Watch it! Stop! Jesus Christ, Lynch! This way! Lynch? What the hell was Singh talking about? We started more than a gang war. Looks like Singh's moved up in the world, working for Shang Xi. Who? Shang Xi. Literally means big boss. And we shot his goddamn daughter. The girl with Brady. Got him! Down here!
Lynch, what have you gotten me into?
Now, man, I'm trying to think. I gotta call Sue.
Put that away! Who is Shang Xi?
Tibet government official. The most dangerous type in the whole of fucking China. Shit, I can't stay here.
Lynch, will this affect the deal?
No, not if we keep low. Damn, Kane. I can't stand it. You can't find us. You can't find us.